Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 211.
Math practice number 211. Today we're going to talk about slightly more complex fractions. Does that sound pretty scary?
No.
Let's make a scared face anyway. Slightly complex. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so you remember we were talking about fractions and we said it looks like a half plus 1/3. Do you remember what I have?
Equals 5/6.
5/6, that's right. And what we said was, well, hey, let's take a circle and we'll chop it up into thirds. And then we'll chop each of those thirds in half, and then we have a sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a half plus 1/3 was
It was 5. Is 5/6.
5/6, right? We just count them up. Okay? But now, brace yourself. We're going to get slightly more complicated.
Yeah.
What happens if we do, let's say, 2/5 plus 3/7? Whoa.
We could make a circle and divide it up into fifths.
All right, let's make two circles, actually. First, we'll try to divide into fifths. So right away, this starts getting a little hard. How do you divide up into fifths? Rah!
Well, you have to make it equal 5 parts.
Yeah, you want to give it a try?
So, but these fifths aren't equal.
Right, those fifths aren't equal. You want to try again?
Okay. I think we need to make a circle with the point at the center, and then make 5 with this.
Okay. Is that 5? All right. So maybe we'll just pretend those are all equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, and then we need to divide it up into 7 parts.
Yeah, how do you think we're going to do that?
We can make a point and then make 7 parts in it.
You want to give that a try?
Okay.
And then we have to pretend they're all equal. You can see it's actually pretty hard, right?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, like this part is actually, in reality, a little smaller than that part, right?
Yeah.
So, but we did it. We got pretty close. And then we would have to take 2/5 here and then 3/7 here and add them together. It's hard to see what that would be, right?
Well, 2/5.
So,
We could figure out. Well,
yeah, it looks pretty sneaky, huh?
Yeah, and you can't make a half because it's odd.
Right. So let's go back to our original problem that we did, and I'll just kind of show you what we did. Remember, a half plus a third was 5/6, but a half was really 3/6, right?
Yeah.
And a third was really 2/6, and that allowed us to see that this was 5/6.
Yeah.
Because when we chopped it up into 6, a half took up 3 of those 6. And when we chopped it up into 6, a third took up 2 of those 6. So what we did is we found something, and its name is a common denominator. It's a number that 2 goes into and 3 goes into, and that was 6.
Yeah.
Now we have to find a number that 5 goes into and 7 goes into. Whoa.
Well, 5 can go into 10, but 7 can't go into 10.
Yeah. What's the
Well,
number that both 5 and 7 go into?
we've got to find a number at, 35.
Ooh, how'd you figure that out?
Because 7 times 5 is 35.
Okay, so now if we made a circle that was chopped up into 35ths, we could figure out what 2/5 was and what 3/7 was. And it's going to turn out that 2/5 is, believe it or not, 14 35ths. And 3/7 is 15 35ths.
Well, that could equal 19 35ths, or you could just. Well, we have to add them. We have to.
How did you
add
get?
them up.
Yeah. What's 14 plus 15?
14 plus 15 is 29.
29. So there we go. We'll stop here, just because we're just doing this to get an overview. We're going to talk about fractions another time. But this is how you solve this more complicated fraction problem. Slightly more complicated, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Good job. We'll do a couple more like this tomorrow.